guys, today's video is going to be a haul, but first I have a really exciting announcement for you guys. Yay! Okay, so I am going to be hosting an in-person, not virtual, none of this Zoom shit, in-person Posh and Sip. You guys don't know, I've hosted 2 of them in the past. They're both in 2019 and it was so much fun. I was supposed to host a bunch in 2020, like 5 of them, literally. But then COVID happened and yeah, that just messed up literally everything in the entire world. Yeah, so it's finally like safe enough. I want to use that in quotations because it's still like yeah, but I feel more comfortable hosting a Posh and Sip now. I am going to require that people wear masks regardless of their vaccination status because I just want people to be safe, and if you have an issue with that, then you don't have to come. I just want everyone to be safe. So yeah, I'm really excited. I will have a link to the Eventzilla is the website where I'm hosting the tickets through. I'll have a link to that down below. You guys can purchase tickets. It's going to be in Portland, Maine. So if you're local, I would love to meet you guys. It's going to be so much fun. There is a limited number of tickets available. So if you want to purchase it, you should do so soon because like I said, there is a limited number and we will sell out. I did sell out my other 2 Posh and Sips that I had. So yeah, so I'm so excited. I forgot to tell you, hello, it's Poshmark's 10th birthday. Like that's freaking huge. Like that's huge, crazy. That's the reason why I'm hosting it. Poshmark's 10th birthday. They reached out to me and they're like, hey, do you want to host again? I'm like, yeah. I'm super excited. Again, I will have a link with more info down below. Tickets are on sale now. Tickets are $15 each and that includes food. There's going to be a couple of raffles and a Poshmark goodie bag. So super excited. If you are local to me, check out the link down below and let's get into the haul. This is a beauty haul. This has nothing to do with Poshmark, but I want to do more beauty videos because I miss it. And I've gotten a bunch of messages from you guys asking if I can bring them back, and I'm going to do it. I might even bring back mascara Monday, although I probably should have done that today because today's Monday, but yeah. So I went to ULTA. Hold on. ULTA. I'll try to link everything down below. The majority of these things you can find on Amazon, which is great because, you know, 2-day shipping. First thing I got is my, sorry, this bag is annoying. Okay, the first thing I got is my moisturizer. This is the Bliss Drench and Quench Cream 2 Water Hydrator for all day moisturizer. I love this stuff, you guys. This is probably, I don't know if it's my favorite moisturizer I've ever used, but it's definitely top 3. It's super lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's anything on your skin. I just love it. I want to try more Bliss products because I love their makeup remover wipes. There was something else that I tried from them that I love too, but I want to try more of their products. Pretty affordable. This is like $18, I think. $18, $19. Oh my gosh. This is the Verb Ghost Dry Oil. So I'm also going to show you. Also got the Verb like regular Ghost Oil. I purchased this so many times. This is my favorite hair oil probably ever. I think so. My old favorite was the one and only, I don't even know if they make that brand anymore. I got it at Sally's. It was the one and only argan oil. ULTA started selling it too. I need to look that up because if they still make that, I want to buy that. But guys, this is amazing. And I didn't know they made a dry version. Like what? These 2 do the same exact thing. They're just in different form. I use this after I shower. I put it in my hair like when my hair is still wet, and then I use it as like a finishing touch. The dry oil I use like on non-hair washing days. These are seriously holy grail amazing products that I'm literally obsessed with. So you got 2 packs of my favorite lashes. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes. I love these. These are my all-time favorites. They're very similar to the Ardell wispy lashes, although these are a little bit shorter, I would say. These are probably a cross between the Ardell Demi Wispies and the regular Wispies. But yeah, I love them. Some EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream. I don't know if this is new packaging. They used to come in like round tubes. So I don't know. I don't know if this is new packaging, but this is dry skin coconut oil. So we'll see. We'll see how I like this. I usually use conditioner to shave my legs. I don't use like specifically shave cream or lotion, whatever. I use conditioner because I feel like, I don't know, it just works better and it conditions your legs too. Got my favorite BB cream, the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. I am in light to medium. Love this stuff. This is good because you can use it for like, you know, an everyday look, or you can build it up to be more dramatic. Love it. I'm so excited for this shit. So this is by Tree Hut. This is the Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Body Butter. Look at that pretty packaging. So I saw this on the ULTA website and I'm like, oh, the packaging honestly drew me in. I'm like, I wonder if that smells good. And then I went to the store. Like I actually went to ULTA. I was going to order all this stuff online, but we were near an ULTA last weekend. So I went in and I smelled it and oh my gosh, you guys, this smells so, oh my gosh. I don't know what the hell does it smell like? It just smells really friggin' good. It says long-lasting, lightweight hydration. It says made with shea butter, Koopa cow butter, pistachio, and guaranana extracts. I don't know. I'll try to find the notes, but oh my gosh, it smells like summertime amazingness. Seriously obsessed. This is going to be like my wintertime lotion. I'm so excited. I'm going to put it right there. Ooh, 2 nail polishes. First, this is an all-time favorite. This is OPI's Lincoln Park After Dark. It's what's on my nails right now. It looks black, but it's not. It's just a really deep purple color. This is my go-to fall nail polish color. I have purchased so many bottles of this and will continue to. It's just a classic. And then I got this. This is OPI as well. It is 999 OK Fine. Really nice grayish green color. I feel like it's coming up more green on camera. Definitely like grayish too. I just like the dark nails for fall. Oh, this. I'm so excited. It's upside down. This is the Tula Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I was going to get the original, but then I decided, you guys hear Nolan singing? Turns 11 months tomorrow. Like what? I got a bunch of his birthday decorations in the mail the other day, and I can't believe he's going to be 1. Like I can't, like what is time? What is life? Where is time going? It's one swipe instant glow, a brightening eye balm that instantly hydrates, cools. Ooh, feels amazing. Helps reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles, plus leaves a gorgeous glow. How pretty that is. I'm actually going to put some on right now. I love it. And it's like so cooling too. It feels so good. All right, a couple more things. You got the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is a great concealer. I repurchased this so many times. This is definitely one of my favorite concealers. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. I got the color Vanilla Light too. So this is Bare Minerals Gen Nude Matte Liquid Lip Color in the color Infamous. This is actually the color that I wore on my wedding day. I don't know what happened to mine. I love this color, so I had to repurchase it. But it is really, really pretty, just like nude mauve-y. So pretty. I love it. And this stuff stays on your lips too. It stayed all throughout my wedding. I think I might have touched up like once or twice, but it's pretty damn good. Well, that is it. Again, if you want to purchase anything in this video, I'll have links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.